Okay, Natalie, Anthony, and BJ, come on up. And anybody else who wants to play a game of Typewriter? I don't know if you were aware of this, but I happen to be the world's foremost leading Nobel Prize-winning author on everything. And I'm going to write a story for you all tonight. And all I need is the title of that story. Anything at all. You know how stories go. They have titles. And
The High Five of Destiny.
The High Five of Destiny. The High Five of Destiny by Michael Kahn. Oh, we had a great season, that basketball team and I. Oh, my. Sure, we had other interests too, but we put down all of those other things to play basketball together as a team. But soon our rival showed up at the court. Oh no, it was Tracy Three-Pointer. I said to her,
Tracy, this is our court.
and Tracy sneered back. She spit in my buddy's face. And spit again. Her massive loogies were rendering me totally incapable of putting a ball in the hoop. I couldn't believe it. That's when Tracy decided to really tell us what she had come there for.
I am going to shoot this ball from 20 yards back.
I screamed at the top of my lungs.
Tracy! No one's ever done that before!
And then Tracy took the ball in her hands. She put it between her knees, turned around backwards, and decided to headbutt the ball from between her knees into the hoop. Oh, most amazing thing I've ever seen! I couldn't believe it! Tracy was spitting with joy! Spit all over the court! There was spit in her hair! And all God, we were slipping! It was like the ice capades at the Special Olympics! Oh, what were we to do? Then, totally covered with spit, my partner realized something, and he said to me,
I hope you had her shots.
and you know what? She did, because America's healthcare system is pretty decent. Yeah.